How to program the TX7100 Smoke Detector using the TX7932 handheld programmer. First, connect the programming cable to terminals 1 and 6 on the device. Press button 1 for Read to read the detector's current data, which shows the smoke detector's address, its sensitivity, its base value, and its unique ID number. Press 2 to assign a new address to the detector, then press Write to save. Press 4 to turn the detector's LED indicator on or off. The default is 0 for LED on. To disable the LED, change the value to 1 for LED off. Press Write to save. This can be useful in certain installation environments like bedrooms or cinemas. And that's it. You've successfully connected to, read, and programmed the TX7100 Smoke Detector.